If you're afraid of using mouth tapes, listen up. Not gonna lie, I was a little worried at first when I first started using mouth tapes because it's such a big transition, especially coming from somebody with a deviated septum and someone who's been breathing through their mouth most of their life, which is why I love using this. This is a great starter mouth tape to use. The reason why is because there's a small hole in the center, so if your nose fails you during the night, you still have that peace of mind knowing that you can still breathe comfortably throughout the night. Now, if you don't believe me, check out some of the reviews under this product. People are saying their jaws are feeling more relaxed, they're getting better sleep. It still promotes nasal breathing, less snoring. These have been selling out fast on TikTok, so make sure to grab a pack before they run out and you have to wait for the next batch.